Hey you guys, what's up? How you doing? So it's Saturday and sun is out in Holland, so we're gonna ride some pit bikes today. Call the guys up. They wanted to come to the Fox compound. We ride some dirt bikes, ride some laps. Actually, I'm not able to ride because I got like stitches in my leg, so I cannot ride, but I'm there to watch, you know, to support. I love to see those guys riding, man. We're gonna shred some, actually we got a new guy coming. He's not a new guy, but he's got a new bike. He's got a new CRF 125F big wheel. So we all ride the small wheels and he rides the big wheel. So he just got it like this week. So it's awesome. He's got like an old sticker set and everything, like stickers on it and everything. So I'm pumped to see that bike, and yeah, we're gonna have some fun, man. Peace. So the guys arrived. We got some 110s around here. Look around the corner, they're unloading the 125s. Oi oi, how you guys doing? Oi, oi. Good? Oi oi. So we got the 125 small wheels, and here we got the new guy. Oi. Oi. All fresh, brand new 125 big wheels. He's unloading that thing. Oh. And then we in Holland we say you make it mee. In Holland we say you make it mee. You make it mee. Look at this thing. Wow. Look at this graphics, man. Boom.
Hey jongen, niet afgespoten. Oh, niet afgespoten. Hebben we niet afgespoten.
Oh, nice. We're gonna have some fun, guys. Peace. so we built this new transfer. We're gonna side jump, try to side scrap it. Oh man!
Die opstap afgereden daar, jongen. Ben je scheef erin als recht dan hebben ze.
Hoi. Oi, oi, Loco Johnny inside the house. Yeah, buddy. Hey you guys, so we finished riding. How do you guys like it? Yay! So tomorrow we're gonna ride, some other guys coming. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Hey. Hey bro, tot morgen. That guy. He is mental, mental.
Laat me niks zien. Alles moet er pas, het beste voor het laatst bewaren.